Stephanie,
and Paul. Do stuff.
So, according to these instructions, we must remove the play sand from its packaging, loosen it up with your hands, and allow it to breathe for at least an hour.
Oh.
This allows your play sand to reach the perfect consistency.
So we'll dump it in here.
Yeah. Here is the place, the Kinetic sand. Push my sleeves up. Oh, oops. This is so satisfying.
I really want to try it too.
But I have to just do this a bit to like kind of get it
Yeah.
to where we want it. And then in an hour,
Okay. So an hour's passed.
Yep.
Yep.
And we're back now to, well, play with sand.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Okay.
I'm excited about this.
Me too.
Yeah. Hold on. It's
Yeah, I saw that.
There's different shapes. There's 3 pink ones that look like different things, like a pyramid, maybe some type of stairs thing, a regular sandcastle.
These ones are definitely smaller. All the pink ones are smaller.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what this is, but this
Me
one's like
neither.
the Taj Mahal.
So how do
And
we
then
do
this is like a Mayan temple or something like that. Well, basically, we take the sand.
Well, we haven't touched it since it's sat, have we?
No.
Okay, should we touch it?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's so weird.
That feels so good though.
So I guess it's like 98% sand and 2% something like polysilicone or something, and it leads to perpetually wet sand.
Yeah.
But
it's not wet
it
though.
doesn't feel wet, and it doesn't transfer moisture to anything. But it constantly feels like it's wet sand,
Yeah.
which is the weirdest thing ever.
And it doesn't move the way wet sand would.
Mhm.
Like, see what I mean? Like, I just
It's
did
a little
that.
denser.
Yeah. I'm gonna do, I think I'll do a pyramid.
Okay.
Actually, no, I'm gonna do this.
Okay, do that one because it's super simple. I'm gonna try this one because it's super intricate.
Yeah.
I'll see how they work.
So let's move these over here. And I've seen really awesome things done with them. That you make them into shapes and then you cut them with a knife, and it just looks so awesome when you play with it.
Oh yeah!
It's like perfect!
Wow!
Oh my gosh, that's so cool!
That's satisfying just to look at. That stuff is way too cool.
You need to go out and buy yourself some of this stuff.
Oh, yeah, I see why it's all over the internet. And it comes in a bunch of different colors.
It does. It comes in like pink and blue. I think there was even purple.
I wonder what
I got this stuff off Amazon for under $20.
I wonder what happens if you mix it.
I don't know. I've never tried.
I feel like you'd be able to see every individual lump. You should squish it. I feel like you could see every individual grain if you did that.
And if you're interested, we will put the link down below for you. And while you're down there, make sure you hit subscribe. And make sure you click the little bell icon so that you know whenever we post a new video.
Yeah, that's it.
Because we've got some awesome videos coming your way.
Yeah, we do.
And make sure you follow us on Instagram, which is at
Steph and Paul do stuff.
Yes.
Yes. And on Twitter at S&P do stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And hope you guys have a great rest of the day.
And really go get some of the sand.
Yes. Seriously. You won't regret it.
Okay, I think that's it. Bye!
See you later.